Beneath the Black Sea, a colossal pyramid lies hidden, unseen for millennia. Sonar scans reveal a shape too perfect to be natural, an ancient monument lost to time. Its clean lines and immense scale challenge our understanding of history. Who built this monument, and why has it remained hidden? The answers may rewrite the story of civilization. In the oldest and most sacred lore, tales speak of a sunken kingdom. They describe a glorious civilization, a land of unparalleled beauty and wisdom that was suddenly and violently wrecked by a cataclysmic wave. These stories have been passed down through generations, evolving from historical accounts into fireside legends. Yet local fishermen, whose families have sailed these waters for centuries, still whisper of seeing strange ruins in the murky depths on unusually clear days. They speak of straight walls and unnatural shapes glimpsed for a fleeting moment, structures that have no place on the natural seafloor. Could this be the echo of Atlantis, the legendary island continent swallowed whole by the sea? While Plato placed his lost city beyond the Pillars of Hercules, the myth of a technologically advanced society destroyed by divine retribution has resonated across cultures and millennia. Perhaps Atlantis was not a single location, but a global story, a shared memory of a great deluge that reshaped the ancient world. What if the Black Sea holds one of its forgotten colonies, a provincial capital whose fate was sealed by the same disaster that claimed its heartland? The pyramid is its potential calling card. Myths from ancient Greek mariners who navigated these treacherous waters mention an island lost to Poseidon's wrath. These accounts are often dismissed as fanciful sailors' tales, embellished to entertain audiences back home. Yet, scattered texts from forgotten libraries hint at something more tangible. They describe pyramid-like foundations and towering stone monuments that were once visible on a now vanished coastline. These fragmented references, long considered allegorical, take on a chilling new significance in the face of modern sonar evidence. What if these legends were not mere stories, but fragmented eyewitness reports of a real historical event? The possibility is tantalizing. If these myths are rooted in fact, then the pyramid is not just a geological anomaly, it is a landmark of a lost world. It transforms the whispers of fishermen and the scrolls of ancient mariners into credible historical sources. It suggests that hidden within these fantastical tales is a kernel of truth, a memory of a time when the geography of our planet was vastly different. The structure beneath the waves could be the key to unlocking these stories, proving that the line between myth and history is far more blurred than we ever believed. Across cultures, the story of a great flood echoes, a world erased by water, remembered in myth and stone. The Black Sea deluge hypothesis suggests this was real. A torrent from the Mediterranean drowned ancient shores, reshaping history. The pyramid beneath the Black Sea may be a tombstone for a lost civilization, its memory preserved in legend and submerged ruins. The ancient Greeks called the Black Sea the Euxine, the hospitable sea, yet their earliest myths named it the inhospitable sea, a realm of fog, danger and mystery. Legends like Jason and the Argonauts hint at a lost kingdom of immense power, guarded by strange creatures and treasures. Could a monumental pyramid, now lost, be the heart of this enigma, a forgotten civilization beneath the Black Sea? Deep beneath the Black Sea lies a pyramid, echoing the ancient idea of a world axis, a place where Earth and cosmos meet. Its sinking marked the loss of a spiritual center, a wound in the memory of its people. The myth of Atlantis, a paradise lost, lingers here. Perhaps the Varna culture's golden symbols are echoes of this forgotten empire. The pyramid is not just a discovery, but a challenge to our history. Not every shadow in the deep is a monument, and not every anomaly is a mystery. The scientific community met the submerged pyramid claims with skepticism, offering geological explanations. Volcanic plugs, mud volcanoes, and rock outcrops shaped by underwater currents. Sonar data, they argued, is unreliable without direct visual confirmation, especially in the Black Sea's murky, anoxic depths. Submersible footage is grainy and ambiguous. What some see as masonry, others dismiss as oddly shaped rock. Critics demand hard evidence, carved stones, artifacts, not just sonar anomalies or suggestive shapes. Natural gas pockets and sediment alignments can easily mimic artificial structures on sonar. Proponents counter that the geometry and scale are too precise for nature alone, but skeptics hold firm extraordinary claims require extraordinary proof. The debate is less about the data itself and more about how we choose to interpret it. Is this wishful thinking or a genuine mystery? The answer remains submerged as the battle between possibility and empiricism rages on. In science, caution is a shield against sensationalism, but is it also a blindfold? The search for truth is rarely pure. It's tangled in funding, reputation, and politics. Rumours swirl of pressure to classify the pyramid as a natural formation, fearing international disputes and disruption of lucrative resource projects. A geologist's initial report called the find artificial, but his final assessment downplayed it, allegedly under economic pressure. Independent researchers' papers supporting artificial origins were mysteriously withdrawn, their authors facing professional threats. This pattern hints at a coordinated effort to silence, not just disprove, the theory. Who controls our history before it's written? The debate shifts from science to conspiracy. Is the pyramid being buried again, this time under denial and intimidation? The quest for knowledge becomes a battle against vested interests. When silence is enforced, what truths are we losing? Some say the real suppression comes from academia itself. A discovery this radical would shatter established timelines, threatening careers and decades of research. The knowledge filter isn't always a conspiracy. Sometimes it's collective bias protecting the status quo. Evidence that challenges dominant paradigms is often dismissed by those whose work it threatens. Young researchers are steered away from fringe topics. Peer review becomes a gatekeeper. Entertaining the pyramid theory risks professional exile. The architects of silence may be respected scholars, guarding history out of intellectual conservatism. What happens when a discovery can't fit our existing story? It becomes an orphan, abandoned by the very institutions meant to nurture knowledge. Does evidence speak for itself, or only when allowed by those in power? The age of speculation ended with Dr. Elena Petrova's high-resolution sonar scans. Her team's data revealed a massive four-sided structure with precise edges and flat planes, features no natural process could explain. The digital model allowed virtual exploration, showing a monument as tall as a 14-story building, its base spanning city blocks. The structure's geometry suggested a ziggurat or stepped platform, not a natural formation. Petrova's scans differentiated solid stone from sediment, silencing many geological objections. A processional causeway visible in the scans hinted at ceremonial use. The release of this data sent shockwaves through both mainstream and fringe circles. For believers, it was validation. For skeptics, an uncomfortable challenge. The digital ghost was now public record. The question shifted, not if something was there, but what it was, who built it, and what secrets it held. The age of denial was over. Discovery had begun. With artificial origins likely, Dr. Petrova's team sent ROVs to the site. The drone's cameras revealed the pyramid's stone faces, shrouded in marine life and sediment. Core samples extracted from the structure contained ancient, concrete-like mortar binding large stones, definitive proof of construction. Microscopic analysis found preserved organic fibers, perfect for carbon dating. The results stunned. The pyramid was over 5,500 years old, predating Giza and rivaling Mesopotamian monuments. This suggested a sophisticated civilization in the Black Sea region at the dawn of urban history. Within the samples, a fragment bore deliberate markings, an unknown script unrelated to any known ancient writing. The pyramid was not just a monument, but a message from a lost world. For the first time in millennia, its voice could be heard. The abyss echoed with secrets, and humanity was finally listening. What else waits in the deep, still silent, still unknown? The discovery of mysterious inscriptions transformed the investigation. Each dive revealed more enigmatic symbols, geometric, abstract, and unlike any known script. Experts were baffled, but some saw faint echoes of the Vinca culture's undeciphered markings. The stones, quarried from distant coasts, and the advanced mortar binding them, spoke of a powerful, organized society. This submerged pyramid is a testament to ancient ambition and lost knowledge. Scientists used satellite gravimetry to peer inside the pyramid, mapping hidden chambers and corridors deep within the stone. The data revealed a vertical shaft and vast hollow spaces, evidence of a complex, unknown purpose. Now plans are underway for a daring underwater mission to explore these secrets. Soon, we may witness the first glimpse inside a world sealed for millennia. The pyramid beneath the Black Sea is no ordinary relic. Marine life forms geometric patterns on its stones, fish gather at its corners, and sensitive instruments detect a persistent magnetic anomaly and a faint rhythmic vibration like a heartbeat. This structure seems to interact with its environment in ways we do not yet understand. It is a living anomaly, its secrets still hidden in the deep. The rhythmic vibrations detected by the seismology equipment became the new focal point of the investigation, a structured, persistent pulse emanating from the heart of the pyramid. The hum was a low-frequency thrum, felt more than heard, resonating at the edge of perception. Its rhythm shifted with solar flares and lunar eclipses as if the pyramid was in dialogue with the cosmos. The team realized this was no passive relic, but a sleeping titan, its hum a reminder of mysteries still hidden in the silent dark. The pyramid's influence rippled outward, altering the water and life around it. Chemical analysis revealed unique elements, creating a microenvironment that drew strange marine life. Some believe the pyramid was designed to transform its surroundings, an ancient form of terraforming. For its creators, architecture and nature were one, their knowledge blurring the line between stone and life. The pyramid stands as a testament to a lost science, one that challenges everything we know about the ancient world. As the ROVs explored the submerged ruins, they uncovered intricate channels and geometric patterns carved into the stone, resembling modern circuit boards. Was this pyramid a machine, its summit a network for channeling energy or consciousness? Its true purpose remains a mystery, challenging our ideas of technology. Perhaps this lost science was based on resonance and harmony with nature, a technology we have yet to understand. The greatest secret may not be about the past, but the possibilities we've forgotten to explore. We stand at the edge of the abyss, peering into darkness where a forgotten chapter of human history lies waiting. The pyramid beneath the Black Sea is no longer myth. It is a tangible reality revealed by our deepest diving machines. Its presence is a revelation, a discovery that promises to reshape our past, yet its true nature remains shrouded in deep, cold waters. We are on the threshold of revelation, a doorway to a lost world, and yet adrift in profound uncertainty. The Black Sea Pyramid is the first to awaken, a silent sentinel from a drowned age, challenging us to look deeper into our own past. The pyramid beneath the Black Sea is more than stone and mortar. It is a mirror, reflecting our hunger to uncover truths sealed by time. Its enduring silence reminds us that history is not a closed book, and some mysteries endure to inspire awe. As we search for answers, we must remember, the greatest discoveries may be the questions themselves, forever calling us toward the edge of the map.